Siri House stands as a serene retreat nestled amidst the vibrant tech hub of Bengaluru, India. Tucked away in the Karishma hills, this idyllic abode boasts a picturesque setting bordering the Turahalli forest, adorned with majestic teak, mango, and coconut trees. Harnessing the essence of its surroundings, the house seamlessly integrates with the lush landscape, harmonizing with the verdant vegetation while offering an opulent and eco-conscious living space. Positioned thoughtfully to embrace natural light and airflow, the structure harmonizes with the existing trees, minimizing disruption to the environment. Employing a thoughtful layout, the living spaces gracefully merge with the outdoors, guided by Vastu principles. Vastu diagram at the end. A quick announcement. If you find this video insightful, do support us and join our community of home enthusiasts alike. It will be reinvested to better research and videos. Now, back to the tour. A grand entrance, flanked by coconut trees, leads to a welcoming platform beside a serene lily pond, setting the tone for the home's tranquil ambience. Inside, a balance between formality and relaxation is achieved, with distinct zones interconnected yet neatly delineated. Large windows and sliding doors frame picturesque garden and pool views, seamlessly extending the living space outdoors. Biophilic design elements further enhance the connection with nature, fostering a sense of serenity amidst the tropical surroundings. Crafted from indigenous materials, the house echoes the essence of its locale, with cirrus stone walls providing a rustic backdrop for the verdant landscape. Indian stones such as katte, kadapa, and black granite adorn the interiors, complemented by polished teak wood and corten steel finishes. Balconies adorned with louvers offer both shade and security, while strategic ventilation design ensures optimal airflow throughout the home. By embracing the existing trees and landscape, this architectural masterpiece not only harmonizes with its environment but also champions sustainability, offering a haven that celebrates the natural splendor of Bengaluru while providing luxurious comfort for its inhabitants. We will now do the rest of the tour. Sit back and enjoy. Site drawings at the end. Thanks for staying till the end. If you find this video helpful in any way, please feel free to like and subscribe.